Welcome to this lesson on probability, suitable for grade 10 students. I am Pulkit and I am so happy you are here with me today. In this lesson, we'll go over the definitions and formula of probability, plus we will do a fun real-time activity. You might have heard questions like this: will India win? Or will I get a 6 on the dice? The answers to these questions are based on chances and possibilities. What we want to know is the likelihood of something happening, whether India will win or if we will get a 6. So, in simple words, probability is a measure of how likely an event is to occur. It's like predicting the chances of something happening. Now, let's focus on two important words: likely and event. Let's look at this sentence. The event of the bell ringing on time is likely every day. In this case, the bell ringing is the event, while it is likely to happen every day is the probability. So, the probability of the bell ringing on time every day is something that we can measure. In other words, we can say probability helps us measure how likely an event is to occur. The more certain we are, the higher the probability. Now let's break down the formula of probability. Here P denotes probability and E is an event. So the formula is number of favorable outcomes in the numerator divided by total number of outcomes in the denominator. Now let's do an activity to calculate probability of getting a number less than 4 on a throw of a dice. A dice has 6 faces. When you throw it, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of outcomes is 6, which will go in the denominator. Now let's focus on the favorable outcomes. We want a number less than 4. So the favorable outcomes are 1, 2 and 3. That's 3 favorable outcomes which will go in the numerator. So the probability becomes 3 by 6 or 1 by 2, which is also called as 50% probability. Now let's do this activity together. What you will need is a dice, a paper to record the results, and some enthusiasm. We are going to roll the dice 20 times and measure the probability of getting a number less than. Welcome to this short probability activity of dice throwing. The total outcomes on a dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are calculating the probability of getting a number less than 4. Favorable outcomes are 1, 2 and 3. That's 3 outcomes. The total are 6. So the probability is 1 by 2. This is our dice, as you can see. This is number 6. This is number 5. So like this, we'll throw these dice 20 times and record. So let's throw it for the first time. So we get 5. So we will not note it down. 6, no. 1, yes. So we will note it down. 1. 5, no. 6, no. 4, this is not. 1, yes. 3, again, yes. 2, yes, again. Again 1, yes, we can write this. 1, yes, again we can write this. 2, yes, we can write. 4, we got 4. 5, no. 3, yes. Now 5 throws are remaining. Yes, we can write 6, no, 5, no, and this is the last throw, 6, so no. So after completing this activity, we got the results like this, and we'll got the 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 times. So in this formula, so which is probability P. So favorable outcomes we got is 10, and we did it for 20 times. So we got exactly 0.5, or this is 1 by 2. Thank you so much. Wrap up. So we have learned the basics of probability and even tried out a real-time activity. We saw that the experimental probability of getting a number less than 4 is 1 by 2, which matches the theoretical probability. Thank you for joining this lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them on the forum by scanning this Class Connect QR code. Thank you so much for listening and enjoying this lesson.